Would you buy this paper manufacturer in Kent for £3.2 million? This was a really interesting listing I saw in a business for sale website for a company that is one of the largest producers of white newspaper in the UK. The company is 18 years old and according to the listing has an outstanding reputation and a stable workforce. The owners will sell the freehold as part of the transaction. Business turnover is listed as 5.8 million and net profit is just 212,000. The owners want 3.2 million for the business. Can you see what I see? Would you buy this business or would you pass? Let me know in the comments below. Are you a business owner and you want to grow via acquisition? Then you need to be part of my mastermind program where we hold your hand all the way through the entire process to make sure that your first acquisition is a resounding success. I put some information in the video description below. Let's start with the business valuation. At a net profit of 212,000, the valuation of 3.2 million does not make any sense until we understand the value of the freehold property included in the sale price. I would expect the value of the business to significantly be less than 1 million, and so the value of the commercial property has to be a large proportion of the price. Although there are positives in revealing there is second-tier management, ultimately the business itself does not look like it has the kind of profit margin I look for. At just 4%, there is too much risk. For me, it would be no deal. How about you? Would you buy this business? Let me know in the comments below.